Hi guys, welcome back. It's Rachel here. Thank you so much for clicking on a new video. So I'm going to show you guys how I created my full face and eye makeup look for today using two palettes. So if you want to see how I created this makeup glam look, then let's get started. So hopefully you guys can see me really well. So I'm going to go in with two palettes for today. And I'm going to be using the Beige Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil, and then the Makeup Revolution. And we're going to create this very smoky red eye. So first I'm going to start with Beige Cosmetics. I already prepped my eyelids and I used the Revolution concealer. And I'm going to go in with Beige Cosmetics and I'm going to grab this red, bright fire red. It's like an orangey red. And we're just gonna tap this first. This is gonna go all over the eyes. And you wanna get in the crease also, right in here. You guys, this was like my favorite palette when I first got it back a few years back. It was like the best palette ever. And then we're gonna smoke it out. We're gonna blend it in. And I just want to extend it just a little bit. And then I am bringing this just a little bit above my eyelid crease. I'm trying to match with my shirt. That's what I'm. And then I'm just going back and forth. I'm applying more and more just so I could get the intense color that I want, just like that. And I'm gonna go in with the Revolution. I don't know why it's so cloudy. So I'm gonna go in with this dark red, and this palette's amazing too. And I'm just gonna grab the red. I'm just gonna pat it in. So we're just gonna make this more intense, more darker. And I just wanna focus on the end. And then I'm gonna grab my brush and blend it in. But I definitely miss going out. And I'm just gonna go back and apply a little bit more. Just a flat brush, and from Revolution's color they have this charcoal grayish, and I'm gonna grab this first, and then like I said, we're just gonna create this smoky color just right here in the corners. I'm just tapping it before I start blending it in. This is like an amazing palette. I think this was like, I don't even know, $15 I think. If you guys haven't tried Revolution, you guys should try it. They have amazing palettes, so creative. You could find this at Ulta. You guys see that? I know it looks crazy. It looks like somebody punched me, but we're not done. And I'm just going back. I'm gonna grab that red one more time, and then so you're just going back and forth, back and forth. And then I'm gonna just do a halo right in the middle. So I'm gonna go in with my Revolution concealer. Like, to take me back to Brazil, they have this like almost greenish gold color right here, and I'm gonna apply that. I'm gonna grab that red orangey shade we use, and this is gonna go in the corners of my eyes. I just want to intensify just a little bit. And then right in the center for the halo, I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild. This is your liquid catsuit eyeshadow. We're going to let this dry, and I'm going to go and start on this side, and I'll be right back. Now that I finished the eye, I actually extended this one a little bit more, made it more of a square effect. And then I'm just tapping all the glitter in, and then I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm gonna go back in with that fire red from the BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply this right here, and then I'm just gonna get just a little closer in. I'm just gonna to get the edges, some redness in there. So I'm just grabbing my Wet n Wild. It's not that great when there's glitter on top, so you do have to do a few passes over it. So now the wing eyeliner, and basically I just look down and then I just make my liner right where the redness ends. Very long, dramatic, but we're gonna apply some lashes and we're gonna cover all that up. So I'm just gonna do my other eye. Foundation, and I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline 24-hour foundation in 310. You guys already know this is my favorite. And of course my concealer still is the E.l.f. concealer, the camo hydrating. If you haven't tried this, I suggest, highly recommend it. Then I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty just to contour my whole face. And then we're gonna blend. And then now I'm just gonna set it, and it's gonna be the Huda Beauty banana bread. Definitely you have a flawless makeup. I have a little milias around here, a skin tag, so this makes it look like I have a smooth skin. And now that I have my full face foundation, I'm gonna go back with the eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner, and we're gonna just extend the eye. So right here. And now for my favorite part of the whole makeup face is of course the bronzer. I'm just warming up my forehead too. And then for mascara, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal. This is the telescopic mascara. This was by far one of my favorite mascaras. The Maybelline Lash Sensational, but I don't like it anymore. It's just, it was really hard to come off. And it wasn't even waterproof mascara. The brush looks like this. Basically, I know it's like, what is this gonna do? But literally, it just spreads all the lashes, even the tiniest little ones you have. With the black, the dark, just underneath, and then I'm also gonna apply some red. And honestly, like, I know you can't go anywhere. Everything's still closed. Like, still I've been in PJs with no makeup, hair in a bun for days, and it's just nice to feel like myself again. Like, I just like applying makeup, and it just calms me, and it makes me feel like everything will be okay. So even though you can't go anywhere, it's still okay to just get ready. And now I'm just gonna grab that red, and I'm just gonna smoke out the black and the red. Trendsetter from Morphe. I look like a toilet. The Morphe True Story. And now my lips are dry, and I'm gonna go with Morphe, and this is First Base. They're matte. Just a little bit more. And then for the lashes, I'm gonna go in with the same 3D CALA lashes that I bought at Marshall's. And I'm just gonna grab my KKWBeauty. Got it, my KKWBeauty and brightening number 2. This is my favorite last step for every makeup. And then you just apply it underneath. And that completes my video, my tutorial. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and leave a nice comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.